Hello guys, this is Rahul here. Today I am going to show you how to use ES File Explorer to edit the system files. There are several hacks available on the net that involve editing the system file to gain different features in our device. So for this I would like to tell you is that the device should be rooted for ES File Explorer to enable the Root Explorer option, and this is via Root Explorer option only that will edit the system files. Now let me show you how we can do this. So just click on ES File Explorer. Once that is loaded, just click on the properties, come down, and here you will see the Root Explorer option is there. Just switch it on. This is how we can enable it. You will be able to switch it on only if you have the root enabled on your device. And how you can use this to edit the system files is what I'm going to show you now. So I have disabled that option now. So we come to system, and here this build.prop file is there. So if you want to edit it for example purpose, I will just edit the name of the device. Okay, so now if you want to save the changes, what I did here was just try to edit the model name, that is GTI9300. So I am naming it as GTI930. So I changed that, and now I have to save it. For that I press the back button. It is asking me to confirm whether I want to save this file. I click yes, but then I get the error message. Error occurred while trying to save the file. It will not be saved. Okay, so I just say no, don't try to save the file, and come back. Now same thing if we do with Root Explorer enabled. I switched it on. I'll click this build.prop, go to ES Note Editor, go to edit, and go to model name. Just delete the last zero, and to save it I just press the back button, click yes, and come back. Okay, so we see that the build.prop file got edited. We were able to edit this file. Just to show you, here it is, GTI930. So we were successfully able to change the name of the model. So this is how you can actually edit the system files via Root Explorer option in ES File Explorer. The catch being your device should be rooted. Okay, so I renamed it to its original value. So guys, this is how you can actually enable the Root Explorer option and edit the system files in ES File Explorer and other such file browsers available, that is file managers or file explorers or file browser. These are the names that are given to this kind of softwares. And to see the history of what all path you have accessed in this device, you press on this device, and then you will get this menu with the title history, and you will see like where all you navigated. So this is a handy tool to see where all you navigated while using the ES File Explorer. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.